Mĩeri ĩigana na thutha wa mũcemanio wa President Uhuru Kenyatta na mũrunawe wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu Hassan ũrĩa wahetũkirie mabũrũri maya merĩ Kenya na Tanzania meherie mĩhĩnga mũhaka-inĩ wamo, mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa yagagĩtie aikari a mabũrũri maya merĩ kĩwonjoria hamwe na mĩikarĩre. Rĩu a minister a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Mutahi Kagwe wa Kenya na Dorothy Gwajima wa Tanzania nĩ makinyanĩirie watho ũyũ, na rĩu ũnyitanĩri wa Kenya na Tanzania nĩ ũtanyĩtwo gũcoka harĩa warĩ ũkĩrũmĩrĩra mawatho mahanaine ma COVID-19.
The areas we have tackled include cross-border issues that involve citizens of both countries, such as transport, COVID-19 testing, and validation systems for those leaving and entering both countries.
Na ile certificate kubwa ya PCR test iweje Tanzania iwe masaa 72 wakati Kenya ni masaa 96? Haina maana yoyote. Ni sisi wataalamu wa kuguide viongozi wetu ili tuweze kuharmonize wananchi wetu na wageni wetu waweze kufurahia kuwa katika nchi zetu.
Maya mokĩte rĩrĩ thirikari ĩrauga gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũrimũ wa COVID-19 nĩ ũratamba macukuru-inĩ, no ikauga arutwo matirĩ hatĩka-inĩ, arĩa marĩ hatĩka-inĩ nĩ arutani.
What we have observed is that the students are essentially asymptomatic, and the problem becomes when they pass it on to the teachers. So hopefully the teachers will accept and agree that they all should be vaccinated. Workers in schools, workers in primary schools, secondary schools and elsewhere should also be vaccinated.
Thirikari oho irauga arwaru aingĩ a COVID-19 muthemba wa Delta mararwara mathiĩ mathiko-inĩ.
People are attending funerals, and then following that funeral, then we attend their funerals. Unaenda mazishi, alafu ukiwa na afya mzuri, alafu a couple of days later tunakuja mazishi yako. Alafu wale wengine sasa wanafuata hiyo mazishi yako, pia tunaenda mazishi yao. And we have emphasized within 72 hours, please let's bury our loved ones, because there is no point of showing solidarity by following the deceased. And this is happening all over the country.
Minister Mutahi Kagwe arera a Kenya ati to nginya marũgamĩrĩrwo na rũthanju nĩ borithi nĩguo megitĩre COVID-19.
If people are going to a political rally, the responsibility of what happens thereafter lies both with the politicians as well as those who attended the political rally. Even baby showers. And that's why you are seeing the statistics. 1-year-olds, 2-year-olds. Na tulisema mwaka uliopita, ukiwa mtoto amezaliwa, wewe tuma M-Pesa.
Hadwini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.